Students, once again you all welcome back in moral science video, and everyone hope you this video you all are also going to watch till end. So in previous video children, I had explained the fill in the blanks of chapter 1. So today once again you all are going to do the what exercise related to this chapter, and that is that is fill in what match the following. So children, everyone just try to understand and just with the help of this video complete your work. So let's start. Yes, you all are going to do the match the following. Okay children, so you all will match these word with correct word. Okay children, so a number is here, polite word. Yes children, in previous also I had explained about the magic words. So magic, or you can say polite words. So what in these words, tell me which are what polite words. So you can see there is excuse me. What excuse me? Yes children, when you are in classroom and if you want to go outside from your house, from your class for washroom and for other things, you just say first what, excuse me, may I go washroom or other. Okay children, so there is polite word, or because this is a good manner. Okay children, so excuse me. So don't match in this way because it will make dirty. So children, you all just write the numbers in front of write the letters in front of these words. So there you will write excuse me, there you will write a number. Okay, so a. Okay children, a letter you will write. Now in b it is written kingdom. As you all know children, yes, God has created this universe. So God is powerful protector, he is knower and sustainer. So yes children, God has made 4 main kingdom. That is what? A mineral kingdom. First one mineral kingdom, second vegetables kingdom, third animals kingdom, and fourth human. Okay children, so there it has written kingdom. So there you will match from 4 because God has made 4 kingdoms. So there you will write in front of 4 you will write B later. What will you write children? B. Okay children, now after that beer's bottle. Beer's bottle. So tell me children, what will you write? Beer's bottle. You can see there. Yes, Beer's bottle was honey. Mr. Beer's favorite food was honey. So in front of honey, there you will write C later. You all will write C. Okay. Now after that, cat's friend. Cat's friend was dog. One day, Mr. Dog came to Mr. Cat. Okay, to see him. Okay, so there you will write cat's friend name is what? Dog. Cat's friend was dog. So in front of dog you will write D later. Understood? Now cat's friend that you have done, penniless. Right now I have spoken children. Yes, penniless, it means having no money, or you can say what? And who was penniless children? Cat was penniless. So there you can also say who was penniless, you can say cat. So in front of cat you will write E. Now boarding, it means shelter. Okay, at last cat got a good salary and free boarding. So boarding, it means what? Shelter. So where is boarding? Yes, shelter. So in front of shelter you will write F. Now mineral kingdom. Yes, stone will come in mineral kingdom. Petroleum is also the part of mineral kingdom. So there it has written stone. So in front of stone you will write what? Mineral G. You will write G. Okay children, now after that, prosper. At last cat become prosper. Prosper, it means wealthy. So prosper means wealthy. Now precious, it means costly. Precious means costly. So there you will write precious. And yes, Mr. Beer said, you broke my precious bottle of honey, so get out from my house. So precious means costly. So in front of costly you will write I. Okay children, now once again, polite word, excuse me is a polite word. Okay, now after, so you have in front of excuse me you will write a number. Okay children, you will write a number. Now Kingdom, so there are 4 kingdoms. So in front of 4 you will write B. Beer's bottle, in beer's bottle was honey, so you will write in front of honey you will write C. Cat's friend you will write you know dog, yes, so in front of dog you just write D. Penniless, cat was penniless, so in front of cat you will write E. Okay, boarding, so you will write shelter, so boarding it means shelter, so in front of shelter you will write F. Okay my dear. Mineral kingdom, yes, stone is the part of mineral kingdom, so you will write C. Okay, now prosper, it means wealthy, so in front of wealthy you will write H. At last, precious means costly, so in front of costly you will write I. So hope children you all have understood very nicely. You all will do this match in your copy nicely. Okay, match the following. So children, now one more thing you all are going to do, that is what, that is your magic word, or you can say polite words. Yes children, what? Yes my dear students, it is a good manner in communication. Okay, it is a good manner in communication to speak well with our friends, with our relatives, and with our parents. Okay children, so what we should always use polite words with our friends, with our relatives, and with the person. Okay children, so like sorry, excuse me, please, may I, thank you, these are the magic word. You can say why do we say magic words? Because children, when we speak these words the person become very happy. Okay children, and what they love from us. Okay children, so we should always use polite words. So children, like first one is here, you can see there is written please. Where do we use please children? When do we say please? Do you know? Yes, when you want to take something. Okay, when you want to say to your parents, yeah, suppose you need toffee, so you just what you can't say give me toffee. No, you can say please give me toffee, please give me a glass of water. Okay, so this is what please. Now after that, next one is here thank you. Yes children, when do you say thank you? When we receive compliments to our friends, when we receive gift to our friends, our parents, and our relative, we say thank you. What do we say? We should say thank you. Now after that, there is, you can see there it has written excuse me, EXCUSE, excuse me. When do we say excuse me children? When, my dear children, suppose when you are in classroom with the teachers, so without asking you can't go outside. Okay children, so first you just say to your teacher, excuse me, may I go washroom, may I go outside from the class. Okay, first you just take permission, and first you just say excuse me. Okay, now after that, sorry, there is sorry children. When you do the mistake by accidentally, you should say sorry. What should you say? Sorry, sorry mama, sorry daddy. Okay, just when you hurt someone, you just say sorry. Now may I children, where do you, when you take permission, okay, in that time you just say may I. Or also when you want something, like when you go to your friends, okay, and you need water to directly you can't say give me water auntie, you just say may I have a glass of water. Okay, so that is a polite word, or you can say that will call good manner. Okay children, so you should always use these good manners in your life. It is very important for us. Okay children, so once again, a magic word, or you can say what, polite word. Okay children, like sorry, 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 excuse me, please, may I, thank you, welcome, and so on. So hope children you all have understood very nicely. So today you all are going to get the work related to this topic. So hope you will complete these work. Okay children, so once again at last I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day and bye bye.